Hello everyone, my name is Amy and I am from the beautiful city of Durban, South Africa. I am so excited to meet you. I'm a native English speaker, I'm a TEFL-certified instructor, a human resources professional, and a customer support specialist. I've got a background in coaching, in training, and in communication. So I do understand the importance of clear and effective language use. So yeah, guys, I specialize in everyday conversational English, in general English, and in business English for professionals. That's because I want to help students who want to improve their communication skills, that is for personal reasons or for professional growth. So I want you to be successful. So yeah, whether you need English for work, for travel, for interviews, or for daily conversations, I am here to assist you and to support you in every step of the way. So yeah, I do enjoy, working with a variety of students from beginners to advanced learners, as long as they want to improve, including professionals, because I do understand that every learner is unique. So my lessons, they are very much personalized, they are goal driven, and they are tailored to suit your individual learning style and needs. So yeah, most importantly, I believe in patience. I also believe in kindness, and also to encourage you so that you can feel confident and you can feel comfortable while you are learning. So yeah, I also adapt my teaching style to help you to succeed at your own pace, while keeping the lessons engaging and interactive. So come on, book a trial lesson today with me and let's get started. We can work together, and achieve your language goals. And plus, I promise that I will support you, I'll motivate you, and I will also provide a learning experience that truly works for you. Thank you for your time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.